folks. Hey, it's me again. Me again. Gonna walk Utah's Garage and Workshop. What do I got today? Just some random tools. Just terrible tools. I have 3 tools today. I'm gonna do all 3 in one video because why not, right? I have a vintage Craftsman. Ta-da! This is weird looking, huh? I think this is the wrong bolt. So I think the bolt on it is the wrong one because it's stuck. So anyway, that's a vintage Craftsman. It's a little sticky. This is, I'll show you again. It says Craftsman on it. It's pretty cool. Here's the other side. I would like to sniper one other of these off there because it's actually pretty cool. It's got no release thing, but it does hold. Why did I buy it? Because I'm a tool junkie, and let me put my gloves on here. See if I can turn this thing. There we go. Get some grip. I think this thing is either too short or too long. But let's see. So yeah, it doesn't really close that good. There's a pin inside here that I think is either broken or must have been shortened or something. Or the bolt shortened, who knows. But it's pretty gummed up. I don't know what year this is, but they're pretty cool. They got the little thing on there. So, it looks like it's bent, but it's actually not. It's a little beat up. Craftsman made in USA. Won't see that very often. So yeah, that's the first one. I picked up this one. I think I got jacked on because then again, who really cares? This one is a Globe Master made in Taiwan. I couldn't resist. It was like $6. A little cheap, crummy ass thing. It is just a cheapo, as cheap as you can get. I don't even know if it's metal. I think it might be stamped aluminum or galvanized junk, pot metal. It's so like me, but it was tiny and cute, and it looked like it was 20 times the size in the picture. So yeah, it's just a cheap little thing. It says, let me wipe this off here. Let's just say I won't be doing a restoration of this one because there's nothing to restore. It's just, I don't know if you could read that. It says Globe Master, little tiny one. I'll do a whole review of every one I get. Hello folks, this is just a little interruption in my video. About the, who are they? Globe Master locking pliers. Well, I'm interrupting this video to show you, well, I said I probably can't polish it, some cheap aluminum crap. Well, look at this. Look what I did to it. A couple of minutes on the buffer, and I got these nice little chromey things here. I restored the tool. Yeah, I didn't really restore it, just buffed it. But yeah, it looks 1,000 times better now. It's still the same tool. I could probably, take a toothbrush out and clean all the edges, but you know what? Hey, it's now nice and boof. Pretty cool, huh? I got rid of most of the nice shiny tool. I also, tried to buff the Craftsman one, and also I got this working very, very easy now, which is a little update on that. And the other one didn't even touch. So I know this this patina doesn't really buff. You just gotta, basically live with it. So anyway, that's my little update. Hope you watch the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Toodles. This one looks like a complete visegrip ripoff, or it is made by Irwin visegrip. The bolt is not original. I will have to fix that problem, make a new one maybe. But it does have a correct size bolt in there. Spring. This one is a Great Neck. See? Great Neck. Why do I buy them? Because I'm addicted to pliers. Let me see. Let me get a vice grip here. I would assume that. Let's see. Yeah, these things are almost the same. There's just a few minor differences besides the bolt missing. I wonder if the bolts are still threaded the same. Maybe I'll butcher a new set and put a new bolt in here. Yeah, I'll murder a new vice grip and try something. Try this out here. I'll put it down to show you. So yeah, it's freezing in here. So this bolt in here that somebody put in is pretty long. I'll try to make this video short. Jesus Louise. So truly unoriginal. Pretty sure this is not the original. Maybe it is. It doesn't want to come out now. Maybe I need a screwdriver. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Got a drawer down here with screwdrivers. See this? I don't think this is real. Not real, but don't think it's original. Come on. Out of there. Anyway, that's the fake one. This is the somewhat original, whatever. I should find one for parts online. If I knew how to thread bolts in my lathe, I'd try to make one because it doesn't seem too complicated. So anyway, was this fit there? Yep, that fits. Somehow the spring came out. So anyway, that one fits. I just sacrificed the... Let's see if it's long enough though. Great neck. The reason why I suspect it's made by visegrip, one, it looks identical, and second, it has that old school visegrip thing. Because the newer visegrips like this are a lot shinier and smooth, and the old Peterson ones have this like, see, they're still shiny, but they're nice and like, they got a duller. This looks like this Taiwanesium here is too shiny. I don't know if they use the same thing or what, but Taiwanesium's different. I think that's the different spring too. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. So thank you, and if you did subscribe, thanks for watching. Toodles.